Hi, this is Carrie Sue again with Carrie Sue's Fine Arts and Illustration. This is part 4 of Naughty Kitty, and as you can see, I have put the black on, but I also, after the black, I put white, but I did leave my grays, so you can see where mid-tones would be, but then I put some bright whites in. I also had an afterthought. In the cartoon there, she's wearing a tutu. So I thought, what about a bright pink tutu? Wouldn't that look cute? And then I'll do something in the background, line it with maybe white and pink. I think that will be good. So, um, sorry, I went ahead and sketched in a little tutu with my little tool here, and then lined it up, and so that's ready to go. So the next step would be to black and white the tutu, just like I did this, and then put some texture on, and I will get to that next.